There are infinite options when designing the front and back cover of our photobook. Today we're going to see one great idea. This is a versatile design that gives you the option to incorporate many elements based on a geometrical structure. We have decorated the back cover with clip arts and a colour, and on the front cover we have included some photos, text and clip arts. Let's do it together. First, we add a fill box to show a colour on the back cover and extend it until it occupies part of the cover. We then change the colour to purple. Now we add our first image and write its dimensions to make a square. To do this, we first need to unlock the aspect ratio. We place it on the cover. We will centre everything once the rest of the main elements are created. Now we add a fill box and create a square. We place it next to the image aligned to the top of it. We are going to use the distribute spacing tool to place it 1 cm away from the image. We write 1 cm and select distribute horizontally. We copy this fill box and place it below the image aligned to its left. Again, we use the distribute spacing tool to separate 1 cm vertically from the image. Perfect. Now we are going to add a photo and make it the same size as the fill box. We place it at the bottom aligned with the fill box. We copy the fill box and place it next to the photo, aligned to the bottom. Now we select 3 elements and distribute the spacing by 0.5 cm. We select the last fill box and extend it until it reaches the square we have placed on the top. We add our last photo, resizing it until it has the same width as our top square. We distribute its spacing by 0.5 cm vertically from the top square. And resizing its height until it reaches the bottom of our main image. To place all these elements into the centre, we need to select all of them and align it to the page as a group, vertically and horizontally. Great, now it's time to polish. First, we add a white frame to the elements that are over the background colour to separate it. We change the colour of the fill boxes. We are going to turn the small photos to black and white with the colour adjustment tool, decreasing the saturation. We add a text with the name and place it over one square. We want to align the text to the square, so we need to select both of them, go to align and deactivate align to page, as we do not want that for now. Then we align it to the centre vertically and horizontally. We add another text with the date, reduce its size, and place it on the other square. We select both and align the text to the centre of the square. To finish, we are going to add some clip arts. The first one is going to be placed on the back cover. We centre it and increase its brightness to turn it white. We add another one, resize it so it fits over the rectangle. And increase brightness too. And our cover is done.